In this video, I'll show you how to use Zencoder AI to create custom AI agents. I always tell people that AI will not replace you, but a person using AI has the capacity of replacing you. Zencoder's AI agents seamlessly integrate into your workflow, helping you to tackle complex coding challenges while automating repetitive tasks. This AI tool can build fully functional web apps on Python, Django, and Flask in 15 of the time and save you thousands of dollars in development costs. Zencoder AI agents help collaborate with AI to generate code. Before we continue, you may want to ask, what are AI agents? Zencoder's embedded AI agents are intelligent, context-aware assistants designed to streamline software development processes. Unlike traditional coding assistants, these agents actively collaborate with you by repairing code, generating complete unit tests, and resolving issues in real time. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started even as a beginner. Zencoder is special because it doesn't just make code. It uses smart helpers to make the code better and fix it. This is more advanced than other tools that just give code ideas. It's a great tool for developers who want to make coding better. Now take a look at how you can create your custom AI agent with Zencoder.
Hi, I'm Zen. Today we'll guide you through creating custom agents. Zencoder's embedded AI agents are intelligent, context-aware assistants designed to streamline software development processes. Unlike traditional coding assistants, these agents actively collaborate with you by repairing code, generating complete unit tests, and resolving issues in real time. Click on Code Lens in your code editor and select Manage Custom Agents from the drop-down menu. In the chat window, click the Add button and enter a name for your custom agent. Provide specific instructions or guidelines that define your custom agent's behavior. To enable quick access via Code Lens, toggle on Show in Code Lens and click Save. Your custom agent will now follow your instructions every time you run it. Access it through Code Lens for quick and simple use. Create multiple custom agents for various tasks or coding styles, modify existing agents via Manage Custom Agents, and remove agents you no longer need from the same management window. Your custom agent is now set up and will execute your instructions every time you use it, making your coding experience smoother than ever. We're excited to have you here. Feel free to reach out with any questions. We're here to help.
Secondly, let me show you how to refactor code with Zencoder.
Hi, I'm Zen. Today, let's refactor a code snippet to improve readability and efficiency. Here's our code for a simple calculator, but it lacks reusable structure, error handling, and clarity. There are 3 ways to refactor with Zencoder. First, copy and paste your code and type the prompt, refactor this code. Next, use the shortcut Command+L on Mac or Control+L on Windows to insert selected code directly into Zencoder's chat. Or right-click the code, select Zencoder, and choose Insert Selection into Chat. Once the code is in the chat, simply type refactor this code and watch Zencoder optimize it for you. Zencoder reorganizes the code, adds functions, handles errors, and clarifies variable names. With Zencoder, refactoring complex code is easy, making your projects cleaner and more manageable. We're excited to have you here. Feel free to reach out with any questions. We're here to help.
Zencoder supports a broad array of programming languages, including but not limited to Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Kotlin. There you have it. That is how to create your custom AI agents. What do you think about this AI tool? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Remember that here in Ray Creators Lab, we discuss everything about AI and all the online tools for your daily workflow. Therefore, support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button for more videos like this.